Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can add plugins to Reaper. So let's get straight into it. Now we have a two-step process. So first we need to install the files on your computer and then scanning them with Reaper's preferences. So let's go and install this plugin, RealPlugs, from Reaper directly in their website. So just click right here. You will see RealPlugs right here, and click on it to install it. So I will install it right now. So now you see where it will be. So program files, VSTP, RealPlugs. So let's go and install and close. We installed the plugins just like that. All right. Now, once the files are on your drive, you need to tell Reaper where to look. So let's go here to the and find preferences. So you can press Control P on your Windows or Control and comma on Mac. Now we need to navigate to plugins. So we need to find plugins right here on the left. So you see plugins, and then at the bottom you will see VST. And after you are here, click Edit Path and add path, just like that. I will copy this like so, select, and then click here rescan. Rescan, just like that, and then apply and OK. Now to add plugin to a track, click the FX button on any track in the TCP or mixer. So we have right here this FX button is right over here on this every track, as you can see, like that. And in the window that pops up, type the name of your plugin in the filter box at the top right here. And when you find it, just double click on it. So as you can see, my plugs in right here. So let's go with one. When you select one, just add, and it will be added right here. As you can see, RealPlugs Edition. This is what we downloaded from the website. And this is basically it, how you can add plugins and use them. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next